But as a part of the same discussion, it helps to really start defining things from a product engineering perspective of let's describe this from a user perspective using given when then terminology. This is known as Gherkin format inside the test automation space, and it's a way of using a scenario to describe a certain behavior to help drive downstream tasks. So in our case, given a product has been delivered and signed for, when a user looks up the related invoice in our system, then they see the delivery details along with that signature. After having quantified this in a group into this feature level description, individuals then start chiming in with what will need to be executed in order to do this. And so it starts with, there's vendor capabilities. Our stuff is out for delivery with a vendor. Do they even have the ability to notify our system of a particular change? The second point is, won't this involve architecture changes? We don't have any sort of system right now that's receiving information from, hey, the vendor's delivered this. So we're going to have to do a bit of research. I heard S3 mentioned, but first we have to look into vendor capabilities. Then we're going to have to set up potentially new applications and infrastructure. Dev2 chimes in, I heard delivery details. That's more than just a signature image. So that also goes into the vendor capabilities for capturing, what are the details? The name, the first name, last name, along with the signature, maybe the address. What details are we talking about? And then, more importantly, we're going to have to be able to retrieve those delivery details, including the signature, out of our current system. How do we do that? Another person chimes in, well, this involves changing the behavior of the invoice feature. Currently, we have this feature we call invoicing that handles how we bill and process payments for our products. And finally, the QE chimes in, and we're going to have to automatically test this. This is really important because what we've really done here is we've defined a feature, and as a team, we've then broken it down into component parts. So we have these 6 different aspects that the Scrum Master or Project Manager is now going to go in and create some representations for, so we can later follow up on this and tackle this in the relative order if we have to do these 6 things.